Oh, that's awesome. It's a pity the volcano's disappeared in the clouds. But the boats on the beach here are unbelievable. There's no beach left.
It's interesting how they've got them set up on the top, their sail.
Well, we got some fads to dodge here, and there's about 3 or 4 right in front of us too. We're aiming at these. We got 2, and another one just here. I might have to run back and grab the helm. I think we're aiming dead at that one. Yeah, it's getting a bit close. Time to manually steer. Make sure I miss this one. Shit. We would hit that one for sure. Alright, I can't jibe the spinnaker. I wonder if it's a fad or a fishing platform. Oh, that's 44-gallon drums. That'll do some carnage. Yeah, that wouldn't be nice. Go, baby, go! Scream! Nothing.
She loves to bounce him.
Fish on! It's massive.
Yeah, it looks huge. It's like you're really struggling there.
An Indonesian special.
You can eat that one.
Plastic.
I'm quite happy to pass.
Plastic and more plastic. That is appalling.
Yeah, I'm happy to pass on that.
How can you hook plastic?
I'm gonna make it just before dark. It's been a long day. We left at 4 a.m. and it's getting a bit over it. We've had sails, all the sails up, all the sails down, the spinnaker up, the spinnaker down, the wind on the nose, wind behind. We've covered it all today. But this is what we've got at the moment. Top of Bali. There's more people living here than I expected. I didn't know what to expect on the top of Bali. Yeah. My God, they finally stayed. Finally. Oh.
So Southeast Asia, we got told everyone motors all the time because there's no wind. We now understand what they're talking about. So we've bought these 150 litre bladders that we're running on both sides of the boat. But the problem we've had is this one's got diesel bug. And so our diesel additive we've been sharing with the other boat because they've got some diesel bugs, so we're on limited rations. So we've got our Mr. Funnel, and now we've got to try and filter our fuel. Try and resurrect what we can get. Oh, it's making a mess. So normally I just have it on the deck and I stand on it to squeeze the last bit, but the bladder's nearly empty. That works well. How fast that's going in. At the moment it's not blocked, it's going all right. It's going in. I haven't seen any crap come out of it yet, too. We've needed the fuel to make the range that we're doing. So the 500 litres that the boat would normally carry, it's just not enough to go the distance that we need to go without buying dodgy fuel. So we're now carrying 300 litres in the 2 bladders and 150 in our flexible jerry cans, so 450 litres extra. So we've doubled our fuel capacity, which is good when we don't need it. When we're doing shorter passages, we roll it up and put them all away. Well, cleaning that funnel out made a big difference. Haven't seen too much crap come through that pipe. Whoop. Oh, there goes some. Oh, glad it stopped. Yeah, now look, it's slowing right down. Oh, in the pipe. And now look, the funnel has slowed right down.
Not draining now.
No. All right, well. Let's block the funnel again. Bugger. Was going well. The contaminated fuel. So our red can that I cursed Joanne for buying is already half full, and this is going to mostly fill it of dirty fuel that I didn't want and was upset about, and now I need. So you can see that sediment in there. It's a brownish sludge. I think that's the diesel bug. There's a bit of crap in the bottom of the funnel as well. But yeah, we're getting a bit of that. It's coming through our fuel. So we're running the biocide, but one of the other boats has got a bug problem too, so we've had to loan a bit of our biocide. So we're trying to source some more. We're getting towards the end of everything we got. I'm in the middle of refueling. I haven't finished yet. Filler's all open. And something is floating out here. Maybe go left a bit. It's somebody's boat. Maybe it is Sarah, mate. No, I don't reckon it's a boat. That was weird. I don't know if that was a real boat or a toy. Hang on. Gotta get closer because all I hear is me. What do you reckon?
I reckon it's a kid's boat that's come untied. Because there's a line out the back, and it's got that, you know, the paddle they rig. It seems a bit slow.
I hope there's not someone missing at sea. That's another overnighter down. We've left Lombok a couple of days ago, and we've island hopped just a little bit along the way, but last night was an overnighter to Bawean. So just dodged a few fishing boats. We had a military boat that shot around us. He was going to be close for a little while, but he went clear. So, yep, sun's up, and hopefully Joe will get up soon and I can get oversleep too. So we're motor sailing all night. Actually a fair bit of motoring only, but the wind's dropped out even more now, and now I have to roll the screecher up. Bit dark up there, a bit worried about the spinnaker up, but as soon as I get a whisper, I'm getting Joe up and we're dropping it. There's a little bommy in the water there. Doesn't really show much on much, but satellite, that satellite imagery definitely makes a difference when you come into places like this that aren't charted well. Wouldn't know how to do it otherwise.
To talk to conversation because he is headmaster of school.
Okay.
This is their students.
Nice.
His students. Yeah.
So we got some fish meatballs to try.
And then
They brought down and welcomed us with.
ingredients.
I can take it up when you want to try.
Bit of bite. You wouldn't know it's fish.
That's tasty. Thank.
Oh. Get our motorbikes. We're going to the school before we can head off. They want us to speak English at the school. So we're at the school, we're just getting a tour of the school, speak a bit of English with them. There we go. Fueling? Haven't got enough? Hello, how are you? Yep. Oh wow. What have we got here? Dodgy, don't it? You ready? Where are we? She's a bit steep and bumpy. Passengers off. This is a bit rugged. It's awful. Where are we? Are we in the right spot? Hello. Good morning, how are you? Where does the road go after this?
We have to backtrack. We aren't at the lake.
I've just spoke with the locals as best we can with the language barrier, but we believe this is the walk up here to the lake. Not much marking it. A jungle trek.
I saw a Burger King on our way.
Oh, that is really steep. That just goes straight down. But it is a very nice walk through the jungle. It's finished raining, so that's just dripping and cool. It's actually quite good. It's a pity Jo couldn't come today. She's stuck on the boat, dealing with what we think are burns. Hopefully it's only burns. Duck the first tree. Oh, oh. That doesn't look good. Oh, this is muddy and slippery.
There we go.
It's just, it's a crap. It's a crap pass.
There you go.
I've got the same muddy
Now
hands.
you gotta do a superstar.
The issue is not to crawl, it's not to get dirty.
You have to lay flat as best you can without going in it.
That's the point. Exactly.
There's no way to get over here.
No, and if you slip on that, you're going into the valley. Oh wow! Gee. What have we got? We got goats. It's a donut shop.
Of course there's going to be a polished donut shop here with nice doors and...
So that's chocolate.
So what have they got?
Tiramisu, cappuccino, blueberry, strawberry, avocado, taro, and I don't know what that is.
Oh, that's what they're making? So now they want a photo of us. They're intrigued by all of us turning up, middle of nowhere. Well, another early start this morning, 3 in a row now. We're on our way down to, I don't even know the name of the island, better go get it. Starts with a P, so I can remember.